There are days when the city feels unbearably loud, traffic buzzing, screens glowing, and life moving in a mechanical rhythm that slowly drains the soul. On days like that, I find myself escaping to the villages by the river, as if the wind there still remembers how to breathe gently. Yesterday was one of those days. I reached the weekly village market by the riverbank just as the evening breeze began to cool the earth. And the first thing that greeted me, before people, before colors, was the aroma of hot jalebi drifting through the air. A strange, sweet intoxication. The cool river wind and the warm sugary scent swirling together felt like a forgotten memory waking up inside me. I walked towards the small stall where a man was frying jalebi in a large iron pan. The oil bubbled impatiently, and into it he piped perfect spirals, golden rings being born right before my eyes. There is a quiet kind of magic in this scene. Even a tired heart learns to smile standing near a jalebi pan. The man frying them worked with an almost sacred patience, as if each spiral carried a piece of his life, his routine, his exhaustion, and his simple joys. I had seen jalebi being made countless times during my childhood, but back then, I never noticed the hands, the heat, or the quiet effort. I only cared about when I'd finally get to taste one. Growing up changes everything. Now I see the people, their stories, their survival stitched between each small everyday task. The river beside the market was calm. The air felt damp but soothing, and sunlight slipped gently through the leaves. If the world ever chooses to be soft, it would probably choose an evening like that. While standing there, I realized something quietly profound. We lose so many flavors in city life, not just the taste of food, but the taste of living itself. But this jalebi? It isn't just a sweet. It's a symbol of village simplicity, one swirl, one bubble, one small joy at a time. The city teaches me the calculations of life. But the village brings back its warmth. Maybe that's why I keep returning. To the river breeze. To the crowded market. And to that unmistakable scent of hot jalebi swirling in the air.